Hi, this is Natasha Denona, and this video is about everybody that has or wants to know how to achieve the perfect smoky eye for drooped and round eyes. It's the same exact technique, that's why I'm mentioning both eye shapes. Continue watching, it's super interesting. This is it, that's the final look, and I hope that this technique will help you a lot. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All my makeup details are mentioned down below, and yeah, thank you and see you next time. Bye.